In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 2885, rename columns, also number 9 in the Introduction to Pandas series, a series I've been covering on this channel. Now, in this question, it's giving us, given data frame students, write a solution to rename the columns as follows. We're going to rename ID to student ID, first to first name, last to last name, and age to age in years. Now, to do this question, we can write a function out as such. We can start off by coming down and doing students.rename, and we're going to set columns equal to this dictionary here. At the end of that, we can put a comma, and we're going to do in place equals true. Now, all we'll have to do for this is return students, and we can now test this out. You can see here it's accepted, and it's properly renamed our columns. We could run this. We can see that our method beats 84% of the answers in terms of runtime, and 17% in terms of memory. Now that's you can do LeetCode 2885, rename columns. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, and I hope that helps.